Hey everybody, I got my Simon Says Stamp Card Club kit just the other day. This is actually the February one, which I should have gotten at the end of January, but there was some mix-up and I thought I had paid and I didn't, so I just got this one, but March is on its way, so I should have March in a few days. Yeah, because you subscribe, but they don't just automatically send them out. You have to, they go through PayPal, and then you have to approve the invoice and pay it, and it's like, oh, it was confusing. So anyway, so let's see what is in the box. The thing that attracts me to their, let me get rid of the box. The thing that attracts me to their kit is their stamps. They're just beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous. So, and you'll see what I mean. So, this time it came with a big bag. They usually come, sometimes they'll come with one that's it's kind of a seafoam green, but I like this color too. So, and these are great for everything. So let's see what's in the bag. See if I can get all this out. All right. So this kit is called Season of Sentiments, and it's got this beautiful, beautiful flower. It's called the Orchid Rose Bouquet. So they've got, always comes with a little sampling of different papers. This one has, that's pretty thick. This one says it is surf blue, cotton candy, fog, and mint. And that's their 100-pound cardstock, which is really, really nice and thick. So, and then it comes with, well, this is a cherry mesh, new cherry mesh bag. And it always comes with a little sheet to give you some inspiration. Let's just pour it all out. There we go. So it comes with, it always come with a couple of envelopes to match the cardstock. This, I would imagine, is the mint and the cotton candy. Comes with these cute papers. This is such a pretty glitter card. There's a dot runner. I've never tried one of theirs, so I'll be anxious to try that. Lock and keys from Tim Holtz, 5 pieces each. And then this says, Miss You. Little die and the shadow. And then this is a little small stamp set that's simply thank you. What would I do without you? I appreciate you for being you, for everything, for you, for your love and care. I'm lucky to know you. You are amazing. Grateful for you, for your kindness, and thank you. So you can make different sentences with them. But this is so cute. This is a double-sided paper. Look at how cute these are. That's cute. Look at those little cute little hearts. Little roses. You are so sweet. I like the pink with the black polka dots. Candy on the back of that one. This one's pretty. Hugs and kisses. That one's got flowers. Be mine. I love you to the moon and back. I really, really like you. I love you forever. This is pretty. You are music to my ears, sending my love. You're so cool. Little bouquet. Love you to the moon and back. You make my heart soar. I choose you. That's so cute. Special delivery. Ooh, I like that. And then the big. Here's where they used 2 of those papers. That's cute. So the big stamp set, which is always a selling point for me, is the Orchid Rose Bouquet. And look at how huge this is. It's thinking of you. Thank you for everything. I'm so sorry. Love you. Thanks. Best wishes. Be well, and you were wonderful. And look at how big this thing is. It's bigger than my whole entire hand. It is, let's see, from the widest point, it is a good 5.5 inches wide. And let's see, from the tallest to down here, 7.5 inches. So 7.5 by 5.5. Is that what I said? 5.5. Yeah, 5.5. So that is a huge, huge stamp. But it's absolutely gorgeous. And if you look, they don't use the whole thing on these down here. They use part of them. It looks like, yeah, looks like this one they put upside down and then concentrated on right here. This one they put off to the side, kind of like this. And this one they just took this part here and stamped it twice. And then this one they used the entire stamp. So it's just so pretty, so pretty. I'm really anxious to see what it's going to look like. I do love this black, and they gold embossed the outline and then just colored in some parts. I just think that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So all right, so that's it. Simon Says Stamps, Season of Sentiments. If you're not familiar, I think this one, well, obviously this one was still available because I ordered it late when I realized what had happened. So, yeah, I just love this, and I can't wait to use it. And when I do, I will certainly show you guys. So, all right, so that's it for this one. Let me know in the comments if you subscribe to their stamp / card kit. I've only been getting their kit kits for, I think this is the 4th one, so 4 months now. So it's pretty new to me, but I have not been disappointed yet, that's for sure. So anyway, but let me know in comments if you subscribe and how you're enjoying them. So all right, well, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching. I always appreciate when you guys watch and comment. I love to read the comments. If you have questions, comments, if you like it, if you don't like it, maybe I always ask too, do you have a club that you belong to that I haven't mentioned and shown before? I'm always looking for new clubs to try, monthly clubs that focus on die cutting or stamping for cards and for scrapbooking, because I do scrapbook, though it's been a while. But yeah. All right, so that's it for this time. Until the next one, stay safe, stay well, and happy camping. Happy camping, crafting, camping. I don't even like camping. I don't know. Boy, I must be tired. But if you like camping, happy camping. But if you don't, happy crafting, or both. Either way works for me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.